We are still waiting for the total darkness, so I have to call on another schools division superintendent. This time, parang ano countdown. This time from the Pitan City. Any representative from the Pitan City? Sir, a round of applause, please.
Thank you so much. My respect to our Regional Director, Dr. Roth L. Fuentes, 3, ERD Cyrus, all Regional Office 9 officials, my fellow superintendents, officials of the different delegations. Of course, my salute to the